Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all our viewers. This is our educational channel Learning Biology Online, and I am Dr. Asad, and with my specialty in the subject of biology, I will be discussing a very important topic of chapter 5 of grade 11 students, that is bacteriophage. So in this lecture we will cover and try to understand what bacteriophage actually is, what is its structural composition, and how the different types of life cycles they exist in case of the bacteriophage. By the end of today's lecture, we hope that you will be able to define a bacteriophage, and you will also be able to have an idea how this particular structure of bacteriophage is formed, what is the important structural composition of this whole virus, and how the different types of life cycles exist in case of this bacteriophage. We can define bacteriophage as a virus that infects the bacteria and replicates itself within the bacterial cell as it takes control of the bacterial genome. Coming to the composition, a bacteriophage as usual consists of a DNA or an RNA molecules with a protein covering around it. Coming to the structural composition, तो bacteriophage का structure हम already पढ़ चुके हैं that it has an icosahedral head portion, which means it has 20 faces, and it may or may have a tail segment as well, and the central distinct portion is covered with a layer of protein or by a sheath, and then we have the end plate to which 6 tail fibers are attached. We want to evaluate the structure of a bacteriophage diagrammatically, so this is how it looks like. और जो पिछली slides पे हमने इसके अभी labeling points पढ़े थे उनको अब हम यहाँ पे study करेंगे on this diagram. So this portion is the capsid head, and you can see the genome that could either be a DNA or an RNA molecule that is present within this capsid head over here. ठीक है, तो इसकी आप शेप देख सकते हैं. दिस इज द icosahedral head that has 20 faces. ठीक है, so this is the head portion over here that consists of the genome, and then we have this collar portion over here. कॉलर से नीचे जब हम आते हैं तो ये वाला जो इसका प्रोटीन कोर जिसको हमने कहा था, दिस इज कवर्ड बाय अ शीथ. So this is the protein core region, that is the central portion, and this is the end plate area of this bacteriophage. और उसके साथ आप देख सकते हैं कि ये 6 tail regions they are attached to this end plate. तो जो टेल्स हैं इनकी बेस के ऊपर ये बैक्टीरियोफेज जो है, ये जो वायरस बैक्टीरियोफेज है, दिस अटैचेस टू द होस्ट सेल, एंड देन through this end plate the genome is released and introduced or inducted into the host cell as well. So this is how the whole structure of the bacteriophage, that is a tadpole shape, it is going to look like, and you can see the different portions that you need to know for the sake of labeling. और इसलिए भी ये समझना ज़रूरी है ताकि आगे जाके जब हम डिफरेंट स्टेप्स पढ़ते हैं लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ बैक्टीरियोफेज के, तो उसमें हमें अभी आइडिया हो जाता है कि किस रीजन का क्या सिग्निफिकेंस है ड्यूरिंग द लिटिक और द लाइसोजेनिक साइकिल. So the two types of life cycles through which the bacteriophage is going to multiply or it is going to introduce itself into the bacteria are the lytic and the lysogenic cycle. तो लिटिक साइकिल में क्या होता है कि एक दफ़ा जब वायरस अपने जीनोम को इंट्रोड्यूस कर देता है इनटू द बैक्टीरियल सेल, देयर इट रेप्लिकेट्स, और फिर उसकी रेप्लिकेशन इतनी ज़्यादा होती है, मल्टीपल कॉपीज़ बन जाती हैं कि वो बैक्टीरिया के वॉल को बर्स्ट करके देन इट कम्स आउट ऑफ द सेल एंड बिकम्स मोर इन्फेक्शियस. लाइसोजेनिक साइकिल के केस में क्या होता है कि जो भी वायरस होता है वो अपना जीनोम डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल को इंसर्ट कर देता है इनटू द बैक्टीरियल सेल, जिसके बाद जो उसका वायरल जीनोम है दैट बिकम्स एसोसिएटेड विद द बैक्टीरियल जीनोम. ठीक है, तो जिस तरह से फिर वायरस बैक्टीरिया मल्टीप्लाई करता है जैसे जैसे, उसी तरह से वो जो वायरस का जो डीएनए अटैच हुआ होता है वो भी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन में इस तरह से ट्रांसफॉर्म हो जाता है। तो लाइसोजेनिक में उस तरह से सेल जो है बैक्टीरिया का वही रहेगा, लेकिन सिर्फ जो डीएनए चूँकि बैक्टीरिया के साथ एसोसिएट हो गया वायरस का, तो वो उसकी आने वाली जनरेशन में भी एज इट इज़ एग्जिस्ट करता है। So you can see in case of the lysogenic cycle, the DNA is incorporated into the bacteria and transferred into the next generation, क्योंकि बैक्टीरिया भी मल्टीप्लाई करते रहते हैं, तो इसलिए वायरल डीएनए भी जो है उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करके बैक्टीरिया की नेक्स्ट जनरेशन में रिप्रोड्यूस होता चला जाएगा। सो द टाइप ऑफ virus or the bacteriophage that is formed as a result of lytic cycle is known as the lytic phage, and the other one is known as the lysogenic or the temperate phage. So these are the two types of life cycles that exist in case of the bacteriophage, that end up in formation of the lytic phage and the lysogenic or temperate phage respectively. So this is the end of our video. Hope that you have been able to understand the basic structural and compositional aspect of the bacteriophage and the type of life cycles that occur within it. So do like our video and share it with your colleagues if you think it can be helpful for them. And in the comment section mention if you have any question regarding whatever components we have discussed in this video. Do subscribe to our channel and click the bell button so you can receive the video notification on regular basis, as we will be discussing the two types of life cycles in detail of how lytic and lysogenic life cycle they occur and how the virus actually replicates. Thank you very much.